Well, where we are, we're on an island actually. The mainland's over there. So there's the bridge that brings you over to the island. And yeah, so all the cars are coming in here, all the boats as well. So you've got boats and cars. You know, it's normally called coffees and cars. They should call this boats and cars. Look at the chop. Oh yeah, like what I'm saying, yeah, he's cruising in. There's a bit of chop going on there. We've got southeasterlies. I was going to bring the Chevys up, but it looks like it's going to rain. And there is rain actually facing down through that way, which you can't see. And yeah, I was a bit suspect. We only live 20 k's, which is roughly 14 or 15 miles from here. And it's getting to be a bit of chop. There's more chop than chop suey on that water. And you've got the houseboats. So Bribie Island. If anyone's curious, should have a look. There we go. Cheval. Not sure the year. I don't know the years too well. I'll go loosely of 69. Pretty clean. Pretty clean to say the least. This was the luxury car of the late 70s, early 80s. Holden Statesman's. Nice cars. My uncle had one of these, apparently. There we go. What do you get here? Model A Roadster. Got a Windsor in there. Yep. A Windsor. Yes. Bit of a gapping. What have we got here? Clevo. Clevo in this Model A. Oh, yeah, cool bananas. Those seats look pretty comfy. Gee, Chevy boys, does this look familiar? Yeah. That's right. Looks like a 55 Chevy, don't it? Funny thing was, the Junior Republic didn't want the big cars. They wanted a smaller version. A lot of things repeated. Everything's the same. I think this is FC. FC. Yeah. Combi. Something different. It is saying 30A. Nice colour. I reckon it's a house of colour, that colour. Or I'm going to go with it was a Ford colour, Ford Focus RS models. Got a bit of an air gap, eh? Breathes pretty well. There you go, see? Gee, that must be an uncomfortable seat. Small block Chevy. Nice colour. Not real sure what's going on here. I've got a Bitzer. It's got a 32 grille. Something different. Something different. Then we've got an old international pickup. A bit of a slick 68, this one. Everybody's into these new wheels. There we go. Got a 34 sedan. It's a HQ Ute over there. And we got a Commodore. Hey, pinkish purple. Here we got is a Mark II Cortina. They call them 440s here, but I'm so used to calling them Mark II Cortinas. I brought one of these when I was 16 years old out of a farm for $150. Of course, it didn't look like as good as this one, but yeah, it ran. Basically the same color. Yes, it was an interesting day that day. My mother towed me on a piece of rope. Piece of rope. You don't see that anymore, getting towed on a piece of rope. Got a Fairlane going in the back there. ZC. This orange one in front of us is a Valiant. Australian stuff. Australian stuff. It looks like, by the smells of it, one of them is running on E85. E85 fuel. It has a very sweet smell. It has a high octane to it, and I would say it's probably that pink ute. Bit of a Chevy ute movement, isn't he? 49. There's another one. This one's in a satin silver. Obviously on airbags. Hear that, eh? All the woodwork in the back. I get a feeling this was not done in Australia. I think this is done in America and brought over. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. So this guy must be a 49 as well. He's on airbags too. Big steering wheel. Cool. In its original form, peppered on the guards, dents, compared to that one. I just got a funny feeling it's Yankee build. It's not local. Like I say, could be wrong. Here's a car I think you see, might recognise. It's a Valiant. VF, I think. VF. Some family like that. My grandfather had one. It wasn't in a coupe, it was a 4-door. They have a slant 6, 245, something like that. And there's our Holden Monaros. There's all the Tirana boys. All the Holden boys. Must be a Holden car club turned up. Here's another Ford, are you saying? Ford Fairlanes. I like these things. I don't know what it is about them. The American ones are the 2-doors, but Australia just based the 4-doors and turned them into a Fairlane. This is a ZC, so 71, something like that. Yeah, we had it for years. It's a cool car. We liked driving it, didn't we? 58 Chevy. There we go. Green 34. This one's a nice one. I think this is an older build. Tudor. Yeah. Bit of serious stuff going on there. VF. This is a vehicle I like to own. A lot of my friends think I'm crazy, but I like to own a VF. I think they're just cool. There's a black one over there we're going to have a look at. It's called a Calais. It's the same model car. Obviously this one's hotted up, HSV. This is a VF Calais. You see, and they say you can't make a VF look cool. This guy looks pretty cool. Nice one. I don't want for sure. EH Holden. Drag car. Pretty serious. No, you're right. Power to weight ratio. Check it out. Look at those extractors. Talk about clearance. This is something to give you tighten up your ring hole under full throttle. It's got the parachute and kill switch and everything on the back too. Pretty scary to be the ultimate ride for this thing. It's amazing that this thing's actually legally allowed to drive on the road. There's just one thing I've never been into on the 57, and that's the spats over the back wheel. This one's pretty nice. White wall tyres. I have been thinking about teasing myself a bit, going back to white wall tyres, the hubcaps. Yeah, she's a good one. Bone stock, this one, by the looks of it. Bone stock. Piranhas everywhere. You ever been wondering the birds you're always hearing when I'm working in the sheds, squawking and carrying on? It's those guys.